Indio 294. Apartment just exploded.
As I'm walking past the apartment, I hear the air suck in. I felt a surge of hot air, like a missile striking something. And all I see is debris passing me.
I heard a noise. I saw the roof of the apartment go up in the air. I saw fire coming out of the roof. I felt the air pushing you back after an explosion.
When the fireball and the debris started to engulf me, it seemed like everything slowed down. I hear a rush of air coming at me. I remember ducking my head and trying to get as small as possible as I'm running because I knew a fireball was coming. And I could see every piece of debris passing me, the flame, the smoke.
I saw the fireball consume the IPD officer. I couldn't even see his feet. He was engulfed in flames. I just saw him disappear into a fireball, you know, and you're thinking, oh God, come out of there alive.
Sir, you okay?
As soon as I saw his hand, I saw that it was burned. It was burned bad, to the point that I was like, this is not something that he could just walk away.
Oh. Is she in the building? He said someone's inside the building. Is she inside?
My first thought was, you know, the gentleman inside.
David Ellis, one male inside.
I looked down and I could see that my arm has been burned. I don't know to what extent.
Indio 149, media's on scene. They're on Boulevard and King.
It felt like when you burn your hand on the stove.
What do you want me to do, sir?
That kind of feeling, but just all over my my arm.
Not on fire, am I? Hey, I need to get my arm. Man.
The fire department was already there getting their gear on.
All right, we got a second ambulance. I'll stand by.
No, we'll treat you right now.
I didn't want to bother them too much because I knew they had to go in and help the gentleman inside.
We got a second ambulance coming, but I'll stand by.